Happy birthday. Welcome to my world. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, in the sun from tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy 10th birthday, Rian. Mag-aral tayo ng maigi. Sana magkita tayo ulit.
Rian, happy 10th birthday. Greetings from Vancouver. Sorry, hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo ha. Pero next time, si tita pupunta kahit one occasion. But now, just enjoy your day with your mom and dad. My wish for you is to have a good health and finish your study to get your desired career in the future. And of course, be a good girl to your mom and dad. I wish you all the best for birthdays to come. I miss you. Love you.
Hi, Rian! Happiest birthday! I know that you'll enjoy your day. Always stay safe, continue loving your family, and be as unique as you are. Again, happiest birthday, and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Rian. Ingat lagi. Bukas nandyan na ako sa Canada.
Happy birthday, Ate Rian! This is my daughter, Ate Nakia. She's pretty like you. Ang wish ni Ninong ay maging malakas at malusog ang pangangatawan mo, ate. At sana'y lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at mapagmahal. Naway makapag-aral ka ng mabuti. Huwag magpapasaway kay mami at daddy mo. Again, happy birthday ulit, Ate Rian. Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Rian. Wish ko tita sa'yo ay mag-aral kayong mabuti, ni Marcos makapagtapos. Sana paglaki mo, hindi mo kami makalimutan. Lagi kang makikinig kay mama at papa. Miss ko na kayo dyan. Sana soon makauwi na kayo dito. Love you.
Hi Ate! Happy birthday! I hope you will have a very happy birthday today. You always take care. You study hard. You listen to your parents. We love you so much. We miss you so much. You kiss Ate, come on. Kiss Ate. See you very soon in person. I love you, Ate. You say bye-bye, Ate. Look at here. Ate.
Bye-bye, Ate.
Bye-bye, Ate. Mwah! Ate. Kiss Ate. Mwah! Kiss Ate. Hi, Ate. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah! Mwah!
Happy birthday to our first baby. Happy birthday, Rian. I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Rian. Kamusta ka na? Namimiss ka na namin ni Princess. Sana magkita tayong tatlo ulit. Namimiss ka na namin dyan. At lagi kang mag-ingat din sa Canada. Mag-aral ka na mabuti. Bye-bye. Rian, I miss you. Wish ko sa'yo palagi kang healthy at mag-iingat ka palagi.